Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon both help creators earn money from their audience, but they work in different ways which can affect how much you earn. Buy Me a Coffee is super simple. People give you one-time donations or set up monthly memberships if you offer them. It's really easy to set up and you don't need to build tiers or make a bunch of content. It works well for creators who don't want to overcomplicate things and just want to receive tips or small support regularly. You keep more freedom and it's great for casual creators, freelancers, or anyone just getting started. Patreon is more structured. You set up membership tiers and offer exclusive content or perks in return. People subscribe monthly, which can give you a steadier, predictable income. But it also means you'll need to deliver consistent value like bonus content, early access, or community access to keep people subscribed. It's better for creators who are ready to treat their content like a business and are okay with making regular updates and rewards. If you want a fast, simple support with no pressure, Buy Me a Coffee might get you small donations quickly. But if you're building a long-term, loyal fan base and offering extra content or perks, Patreon can bring in more consistent money. In my opinion, if you're just starting out or want something low effort, Buy Me a Coffee is a great way to earn on the side. If you're ready to commit and give regular value, Patreon has more potential for steady monthly income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.